Hello, this is Jill, and hey, I got another tip of the day for you. Sometimes when I'm traveling, I of course stay in hotels. And, you gotta get used to hotels, you gotta get used to the beds, you gotta get used to kind of how to turn on the TV and set your favorite channel. But you know what I really don't like about hotel rooms? It's actually the front door. Now here you have a front door that seems kind of benign. It's not really doing much, just kind of hanging around. But then you turn off the lights. Now I don't know if this video really shows it, but you can kind of see at the bottom of the door there is a light. And that light is coming from the hall. And the hallway stays lit all night long. Now I don't know if this video really shows it, but it is bright. This little light on the bottom of this door is bright. And depending on where the bed is in the hotel room, it keeps me up. And for years, what I usually did was I grabbed some of the spare pillows and just threw it down on the bottom of the door there to kind of block that light. And in general, this little pillow trick did kind of block the light. But, in a lot of the hotel rooms that I stayed in, at the very end of the stay, they would put the hotel bill underneath the door. And these pillows generally block the path. And, a lot of times I got the bill kind of sticking either halfway through the door or just kind of laying outside the hotel room. But one day, I thought of another way of blocking the light, and it was in the hotel room closet. So inside the closet of nearly every hotel room I've ever stayed in is an ironing board, just hooked up on the side there, and they're virtually identical. And then I realized, hey, I could just grab this, take it out, and kind of lean it against the bottom of the door in the hotel room. And the ironing board is the perfect size to fit the door and block the light. And also, the way it's structured, it sort of leans against the door and allows enough room for the bill at the end of the stay to be slipped under the door. And so, just a simple ironing board taken out of the closet has solved my problem, and I've been sleeping so much better, blocking that light and not worrying about not getting that bill at the end of my stay. And I hope this little trick helps you out, although this is not maybe my best video. If it helps a few of you out, I'm happy. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.